The circle shown has center O, circumference 144 pi, and diameters PR and QS. The length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ, so what is the length of arc QR? Circumference is pi times diameter, which means that our diameter has to be 144 since it was given to us in the equation that circumference was 144 pi. That means that PR and QS are going to be 144 each. That also means that half of that length is going to be 72. So we have the length of arc PS, and that's going to be twice the length of arc PQ. Now, we also know that the circumference is going to be all of our arc lengths added together. So it's going to be this one, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one. So let's write that out. So we have PS, which is this one, plus PQ, plus QR, plus RS. Now, since we have a diameter, we know that this is a half circle. So really what we could do is just take half and multiply it by 2. But we are just going to know that they are going to be the same. So let's go ahead and substitute 2PQ for PS. And since we know that PS is going to be the same as QR, we can go ahead and substitute this one too. And then SR is going to be the same as PQ, so we can just replace this one with PQ as well. So here we have 2 PQs plus another one, that's 3, plus 2 more, that's 5, plus 1 more, that's 6. So we know that 6 PQ is going to equal 144 pi. So the length of QR, okay, if we know that PQ is going to be 144 divided by 6, which is 24 pi, and we know that, let's see, PS is twice the length of arc PQ, so we're going to multiply that guy by 2, and the answer is B.